In this video, you will learn how to create special shapes in Elementor step by step without installing any plugins. Go to cssshape.com or search on Google CSS shape and click the first result, the Ultimate CSS Shape Collection. There are many shapes you can create with CSS code. Here, for example, I select inverted radius. You can set on div class or the image classes. You can set inverted on the top right, top left, bottom, or etc. I select the first one and copy the CSS. In Elementor, if you want to use custom CSS in Elementor, you should have Elementor Pro. If you don't have Elementor Pro and you have a free Elementor, don't be worried. You can access additional custom CSS in WordPress dashboard. Go to Appearance and Customize. When you click on Customize, you can access additional custom CSS and copy the code there. Okay, I have a Elementor Pro and create a container, set 50 pixels margin top, and I go to custom CSS. Here is an important part. You should copy the class name and go to layout. In CSS classes, paste it here. There you go. Maybe you ask yourself how to change the color. Don't be worried. Go to the style and click on the background type, click on color, and you can change it in any colors. If you use customize and copy the code in additional CSS, you should just copy the class and paste it in here in class CSS classes. Okay, I want to create another one to show you how to create more shapes. For example, circle cut. This shape is good for designing footer. I copy the CSS here, go to make another shape, to advance, and custom CSS, copy and circle cut here. There you go, and you can change the color. For example, the green is good, I think. Yes. Okay, look at more shapes. For example, breadcrumb or a tooltip or a ribbon. I click on ribbon. For example, click the ribbon to copy the CSS. This one, and this one is good. Copy, create another container, set 50 pixels from top, and in layout, no, in custom CSS, copy the code and copy the ribbon class layout, CSS classes, ribbon. Oh, it's not good. For example, set this ribbon, copy the CSS, and copy ribbon class, CSS class. Yes, but there is a problem for ribbon size 28, for example 100, or I want set to set another container, add element container here, set on this one. First check the mother container and delete this one, and in inner container go to advanced CSS, custom CSS, and copy again, copy this one, or you can I think you can set on title. Okay, for example heading, set heading and select the heading in advanced, copy the CSS here, custom CSS, select the ribbon, layout, and in class. There you go. You can use in a heading. For example, I can change the heading. This is for testing, and in advanced margin 20 pixels from top, 20 pixels from bottom. There you go. If you want to set in center, click on this container and center. Okay, there you go. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you on next video.